Hello, some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how do I resolve this issue? Command not found brew. For that, guys, just launch Safari. Just click on the homebrew here. Just copy this command, the entire thing, copy it. Just paste it here. Click on enter. So it will ask checking for sudo access, require your password. You have to enter the password. Click on enter. So the script will install these many things. Following other new directories which will be created. Click on enter. Just clear the screen. Now type nano space dot zshrc. Click on enter. Now this will come up. Just type export path equal to slash opt slash homebrew slash bin hyphen dollar path. Just press Ctrl X. Just click on Y. Now it will ask file name to write. Now just press enter. So now it has been rewritten. So the path we have added for the brew. After that you have to do source space dot zshrc. All right. You can also see what's inside. Just put cat dot space dot zshrc. You can see the path. Now you have sourced it. Just type brew help. Now you'll get all the information. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.